Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a Grower Quick Fix accessory using a towel rail as an example. It sounds complicated, but it's not. A few important notes beforehand. This installation also applies to many other accessories with adhesive points. The glue is not included in the product packaging. The packaging includes all the other parts you need for the installation. We will not need any screws today. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. To attach your new towel rail to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pencil, a folding ruler, and this glue. So, let's get started. The mounting plates must have an exact distance of 45 centimeters, measured from center to center. You should now plan exactly where the holder should be placed. Once you've picked a good place, clean it thoroughly first, then mark the spot. Now draw two horizontal lines. Along those, you will then align the towel rail. You can use a spirit level to check the horizontal alignment. Additionally, draw two vertical lines, 45 centimeters apart from each other, using the spirit level to determine the exact position. Loosen the small Allen screws slightly on both sides and take out the mounting plates. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plates and stick them on. Now feel free to test the distance. Perfect. Next you will need the glue and the adapter. Screw it into the center of the mounting plate. After that, remove the cap from the syringe and twist it into the adapter. Carefully press in the glue until the slats are filled. Now leave the glue to harden for 24 hours. At this time, all you need to do is attach the towel rail and fix it in place with the small Allen screws. Done! It's easy to dismantle the towel rail again if you need to. To do this, loosen the Allen screws first, followed by the holder. Then remove the mounting plate slowly, using a spatula. Clean the areas thoroughly. And that's it!